looks scary. Yeah.
You don't believe me when I tell you. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh wow, this is so cool. Hold up.
My sunglasses fall on my face.
Oh yeah, you found a pair of sunglasses. Oh, you found one today? Yeah.
Or stand behind it.
There we go.
How could you not like seeing that smoke on the water, man?
No, I already knew that. I dropped off flat. You don't believe me when I tell you. Hey, shoot.
No, I know it's a cave, but I don't think it's that. It gets that dark in the end.
It's a cave.
Doesn't matter.
Can you see when you're
Some
inside?
caves actually have lighting in it.
It looks scary. Yeah.
Not bad. Here's them up. Hey?
Oh man, imagine.
What was that?
I try to pick out these honestly. I'm trying to pick them up.
Hey, cheers.
I'm talking about my feet. Do you think it would be safe to walk barefoot? Dude, you guys have to watch. Have you ever seen Between Two Ferns?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not right now, but we're actually really close, it looks like. I think it's around this corner over here. Let's go check out the Lusk Caves. Lusk.
It was like nice enunciation.
Like this, here, you gotta do it like this. Welcome to the Lux!
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah, obviously. He's super friendly.
Ooh, wrong way.
I'm wondering what's that over there? Where? That one spot. Let's go look around a little more. Like,
Don't fall.
Apparently it goes up to your chest. Because we climbed up through a hole. We climbed up through a hole instead of going out through the gate.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to check that out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Awesome. Thanks. Is it? I'm wondering if I put my shoes on or just keep climbing down with this one.
I put your shoes on it. Yeah, this is sick, bro.
Man, I'm coming down there. Does it go down further? Because I got a flashlight.
I think it gets super small. I don't know, I didn't look. Oh, shit, this is so cool. What?
Think I found some sunglasses. Got this.
Guess so. And we'll bring the GoPro through it.
Do what?
Go deep water.
Yeah,
So I'm willing to go through waist deep water to go and explore this cave.
yeah, I'm down too.
Okay, you too?
Yeah, if I have my baby suit on.
Yeah, this is it.
Pinky, I could cut the whole nail off if I wanted to. I just don't.
boy, Rambo. There we go. Hey, what's up? This cave. Hey guys. Hello. And they said we couldn't.
The guy said that there's a plant somewhere where it just drops. So I'm just trying to be as careful as possible.
Yeah. This is crazy. Hold up, Rambo. You're going too fast. Yo, Gio. What'd you think about this place, bud?
It's sick, man.
Yeah, man. How about you, Andrea?
I can see the world still so good.
Yeah, you can see up.
Good find, boys.
That's so cool.
Like otherwise, it's so dark.
Yeah.
My sunglasses fell on my face. I did not like
Oh yeah,
that.
you found a pair of sunglasses. You found
Yeah.
a pair of sunglasses.
Oh, you found one today?
Yeah.
When you guys
Before you.
Right now?
No.
I had them on my camera bag, but I found them right when you guys were in that little cave.
That's sick. No way.
Yeah, dude.
Someone wrote their name and stuff.
Oh yeah.
At Bundy.
Okay, make sure you got nothing in your pockets.
They got no pockets.
It's gonna get deep.
Bro. Bro.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to keep going.
We're in the water now, but look how deep Rambo is.
Yeah, I'm on my knees here, bro. This is getting deeper by the steps.
Yeah.
It is, man.
So that's what they mean by your neck and waist. Oh no!
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's cold. Oh no, oh no.
Yeah.
Can you stand up over there?
Yeah, get to the right side.
Jesus Christ. Yo.
Ah,
I
yeah.
hit my back.
Oh no.
Let's go check this out. Come up here, Rambo.
I wish there was bats. Yeah, I can say do live in caves.
Oh, watch your head. I just hit mine.
Looks so sketchy.
Look, it goes this way too.
What is it? A sock.
Yo, what kind of rocks are these?
I don't know, but that's what I hit my back on.
I guess Rambo would be the first to do it.
Ow! I hit my head. Oh, it goes that way too. Look.
There we going in here.
Yeah, there's two, eh?
That's
How far does this go?
Here, and it loops back to where we actually just were.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that keeps going far. Man, that guy's trying to tell us we can't bring the dog. We can't hold anything.
Up there's kind of cool too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we can set it up.
You can get out if you want.
Right here.
Get it, Rambo.
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh, yeah, I see him. Hey.
I was just like stumbling. I'm glad you missed it. Look, I have the flashlight in the camera.
And you know what? This is deep, bro.
Yeah, I'm not stepping in those deep.
You gotta make sure you ain't putting your ankle in between rocks.
This is the one you was talking about for sure.
Alright, I'm gonna watch you.
Okay. Right there, yeah. You're good. No, trust me, you're good, man. You're good. You put your weight down. Now go in there. To the left, it's a little higher than to the right. If you go to the right there, it's deep. Over there, it's a little bit higher. Good boy. Yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah. The sweet spot.
There's a lot of little rocks.
I didn't think this would keep going.
I know. As if Rambo's doing this.
Holy bud. There's limited room.
Yeah, I know. It's getting full.
No, you could actually probably fit one or two more.
I don't think we're short ones.
No, the fish, bro. Which one? I bet that's water snake. It's bugs. Not these. Yeah, it's not talking about the bugs. I can see them all. There's no snakes. I'm not talking about the bugs. We're fine. Yeah? That's okay. Honda. Wow. stand behind it, whatever.
There we go.
It looked pretty, man. How could you not like seeing that smoke on the water, man? See, that one went that way, this one went this way. It's totally different experience, man.
Canoes, what you gonna do when we come for you?